What's up, everybody? The snow is really coming down now. This is the start of the snowstorm, bringing a foot of snow to our area. There might be a foot of snow on this balcony when it's all said and done by Monday afternoon. So you can tell it's really coming down. Isn't it very pretty? Alright guys, the next update will be tomorrow afternoon or morning, and then tomorrow evening. Look at that, my footprints. I'm wearing barefoot because anyone else, crazy. But yeah guys, those cars. Alright guys. Oh, snowplow. Snowplow guys.